Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm sharing 5 essential tools that every virtual assistant needs in order to be more productive and streamline their business. So whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your productivity, these tools will help you save time and stay organized. Tool number 1, Google Suite. Google Suite is an absolute must for VAs because it covers everything: email, cloud storage, document creation, and video calls. So you can create Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Meet, Google Drive, and so on, Google Forms. So it can really help you with everything in your business all in one place. Google Suite centralizes everything for you in one platform, making it easy to stay organized and access anything from anywhere. Because I will tell you right now, during my journey as a virtual assistant, I have lost everything twice now off my computer because my computer had died, like it fried itself twice, 2 different ones. And so the only reason that I was able to get another computer and to just continue on with my work was because everything was saved to the cloud. So if you don't have cloud storage like a Google Drive, etc., where you're backing things up to, you could be in trouble. The other thing that I also have is a backup drive that is plugged into my computer, and I back up things every couple of days. I back things up that are on my computer as well. So tool number 2 is using something like Notion or Asana. So these are project management tools. So they help you to organize all of your tasks, track your client projects, and plan out your day. So you could create task lists with deadlines to keep your projects moving, project boards to track the status of each client, and you can customize it to create templates and client dashboards or client portals. So how this helps with productivity? Well, with a tool like Notion or Asana, you can avoid feeling overwhelmed because it's keeping everything organized in one place, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. So if you have a CRM in Notion, for instance, you can open that up and all of your tasks and all of your resources and everything related to that customer all is in the one central file. So you can just open it and you can work on the work that you have for that client for the day. And then when you're ready to move on to another client, you can just go to your next record for that client and everything's in the one place. So it just keeps you organized and keeps everything streamlined. Tool number 3 is System.io. So if you need to create a website, sell digital products, offer online courses, have a blog, anything like that, send out weekly emails, System.io has everything in the one place. So you can have a website and blog without being on separate platforms. You can have a funnel without being on a separate platform to everything else. So you can host a course on there without being on a different platform again. So it just keeps everything in that one place. And so it allows you to create more income streams as you go along, because if you keep everything in the one place and it's organized, it's easy to build on and actually add more income streams so that you're making more money overall. You can start on a free plan with System. I think it's free up until you've got 2,000 contacts or until you need some extra capabilities like tags, etc. So System.io helps you to manage multiple aspects of your business. So your website, marketing funnels, and product sales all in one platform. And it's quite user-friendly as well. Tool number 4, Loom. Loom is a screen recording or video recording software. So the reason Loom is better for this is because when you need to send a quick tutorial to someone, explain a project, or communicate with clients visually, Loom is a game changer. And it's something like $90 a year or something like that. It's quite cheap. Might be like $8 a month or something. So basically, you can record your screen or make a video just with you on it, or you can do both. And then you just grab a link for that video and send it to your client. So it saves you having to save your video to YouTube, get a link, and then send it to your customer, etc. So it's really easy to share information with your customers when you use Loom. And also having your face on some videos gives it that nice personal touch as well when you're dealing with a customer. So Loom can cut down on long email chains and help you explain things faster and clearer, saving you and your clients a lot of back and forth. Tool number 5 is TidyCal. Now, TidyCal is a call booking software. So if you need to do discovery calls, etc., it's a great one to jump onto. TidyCal is essentially a scheduling tool for booking client calls. So it makes it easy for them to find time on your calendar that suits and to book in and pay. So everything integrates with Google Calendar to keep everything synced. You can customize your booking slots so you can control your availability, and you can automate all the reminders that you want to send to people so that you can reduce the no-shows on calls, etc. So TidyCal eliminates the back and forth trying to find a time that works for both you and your client. You just send them a link and they pick a time that's available on your calendar. Now, if you did use Google Suite, you probably don't need TidyCal because you could use the Google Meet booking system side as well. And so that would save you money doing that as well. So these are the 5 essential tools that every virtual assistant needs to boost productivity and keep their business running smoothly. So from managing tasks to booking calls, these tools will save you hours of work each week. Drop a comment below and let me know if you use any of these tools already, or let me know what you're excited to try. Have a great day.